For me, I chose UCF because of the way I felt on the campus. It was the right size, the right comfortableness. I could picture myself being a student there. I came from a smaller high school at the time, and UCF was going to be a big environment for me.
I liked at the time it was a smaller school than the other state schools, and I just got a better vibe when I visited it, that it was a place where I felt I could stand out a little bit, not be just a number, and not be part of an sort of elitist group I felt some of the other schools in the state had an attitude of.
I really enjoyed those first 2 years living on campus, getting to be involved. And that's how I got to learn about myself as well as the school and get involved with different activities and clubs.
And that's where she got to meet me, at the dorms, doing laundry.
Not even in classes yet, folding somebody's laundry who I didn't even know. And 4 years later, we start dating.
I've gotten a lot more involved in startup companies. So these are pretty early stage. I'm what they call an angel investor. I've invested, like I said, in about 100 companies the past 6 years.
Part of the reason I give back to the UCF is because I want others to be able to have the same type of positive experiences and growth that I had.
Initially, I think we gave back by going to football games, being advisors for our fraternities and sororities, and eventually getting connected with the College of Business, and especially Cameron Ford and his efforts to develop entrepreneurship as a minor and eventually a major, and all the resources to help students with their ideas for business.
Dean Jarley himself encourages engagement, and he does events, activities that gets people together, and
Yes.
Then you feel part of something, and that just makes you want to give back because you have such a good warm fuzzy feeling inside that you want to be part of helping.
But the best feeling is the appreciation from students, giving them feedback on their business ideas. Even after they've graduated, have contacted me.
Yeah, we've gotten a few thank you notes.
Yeah, really is touching, as old-fashioned as that is.
You can give of time as well as you can give of money.
Yes.
And that will benefit a UCF student.
Sometimes time is harder to give, right?
But going to events in the College of Business, you will definitely have an understanding of what's going on in college, and you will have a renewed excitement for being a student, because in the College of Business, there's always something happening.